You had it all. You settled down on the place where your kids could play, could live safe and sound. Now I'm too young to be so fragile, so weak. The long legs may ride it round, but we will have to face this. No, I don't need to run or hide away. I believe in magic. You should not fear for all the things to come. Just believe in magic. A changing rose that nature proposed. Now both of us could learn our fate, or turn around to be strong.